Good Thursday morning, and thank you for checking out your weather update. After some really nice weather the past 2 days, hitting the temperatures in the mid-70s, today we're going to have heavy rain as our big concern. We have a flood watch through tomorrow morning, expecting 2 to 3 plus inches of rain. And then after today, we're going to see chilly temperatures for a couple of days, Friday and Saturday, before we see a big warm-up by the time we get to next week. So again, here's a look at that flood watch across the area, and that will be in effect through tomorrow morning. We have showers that have just lifted through the Indy Metro this morning with some heavy downpours. We had some lightning, but there's more rain down to our south and west, and we're going to see continued rounds of that rain as we go throughout today. Expecting a high in the mid-60s. We'll start to see those temperatures falling this evening. And looking at the forecast radar, the heaviest rain is going to come in later as we go into the evening hours and into tonight is when we expect the heaviest rain to move through. And again, looking at potential for 2 to 3 plus inches of rain, so do watch out for flooding. If you encounter any flooded roadways here, be sure you turn around and do not go through those floodwaters there. And as we go into the forecast for Friday, breezy, chilly, cloudy, we're going to see lingering chances for some scattered showers, and that actually carries into Saturday. You notice that forecast for Saturday changed quite a bit. We had to go a lot cooler, and we're keeping those chances for showers and even a chance for some snowflakes to mix in early Saturday morning. So what is going on? Let's take a look at the forecast radar. We have an upper level low pressure that's going to be spinning over the area, a cold pocket of air aloft that could be enough to produce some wet snow showers mixing in late Friday night, early Saturday. I know it sounds crazy, but we do have to talk about that possibility there Saturday morning. Chilly weather Saturday in the 40s, but look at the turnaround for Easter. Just in time, 67 with sunshine. Next week we get into the 70s, a stretch of 70s for highs, chances for a few thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good Thursday.